Okay, this morning we have a pretty interesting project. I'm actually pretty excited about it. But let's go down there and go check my neighbor out. So, it's early in the morning. It's actually been up since like 6 a.m. doing this. And I gotta check it out, but he's down there waiting. You see this dude? We got a project today. It's gonna be pretty interesting. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I've done different parts of it. I've done like car parts, but I've never done the whole car. So this is gonna be interesting. Are you excited, dude? Yeah? This dude's been up for like this entire weekend, just doing different stuff. And why don't we go check out how the masking looks? Come on. Oh, this is gonna be pretty epic, I think. At least for us. I mean, at least for me too. Okay. Whoa. Look at your dad. Dude, he did a great job. Good morning, sir. Oh. Okay, cool. Dude, this is good. Got a decent light. So right now we're just walking through the project to see how we're gonna go through a pattern of how we dipping and all that stuff. But Nathan did a really good job masking with his dad to just isolate that. Oh, wow, 2 a.m., dude. So we'll get that going and then we'll kind of go from there. But I think it's gonna be legit. This will be a good project. Okay, so we got the stuff from, let's just say, free plugin, Fonzie, dipyourcar.com. We wiped the car down. He wiped the car down twice, like we said. It's really just alcohol solutions. That's what I think it is. So if you want to save yourself some money, I mean, 50, 50, 30, 70, whatever combo you want to go with alcohol, you're good to go. But he wiped the car down already. So next thing we're gonna do is just really walk around again, and just like the way Nathan followed instructions, all of the yellow lines are kind of like the wet areas that we're gonna pull when it's wet. That way the dip kind of comes out very clean. Overall, he did all the body work to make sure he filled things up that had some bumps or a little bit of nicks here and there to make it look a lot better at the end of the day. So we shall see. We should really see like how it's going to turn out. I'm really excited because I think this is going to be a really good job. My only worry is that it's black and he has a green. And while he tells me it's green, I just don't know how green it is. I don't know, is it like a dark racing green? That's gonna be a surprise for me. I just haven't seen it. So that's gonna be interesting. He purchased, just so that you gotta kind of go over what kind of equipment we're using here. Needless to say, the recommended was what? 3 gallons of Plasti Dip. Because the car was black already, we decided that primer might not be needed. We did not go buy the dipyourcar.com kit per se. We bought the paint and some of the supplies, but he purchased a lot of these supplies just at Home Depot. But then the spray gun, he bought this unit, which I researched for him on Amazon. I don't think it's the best, but definitely not the worst. This is not not the dipyourcar.com kit here, but I think a lot of people have used it and been very successful with it. So, and of course, as a youngster for him, and I got a mask for myself. You need a mask. You should really have a mask. So if you look around the area, his parents really took the time to mask off the entire area, closed it, and then of course we have an exhaust fan here, so we have a pretty professional looking paint booth. So it's not a bad deal. We got some additional light, use some M18 lights here. So, I think we'll get going, kind of prep the paint, and we're gonna start time-lapsing. All right, guys. Well, here's the final product. It's pretty wicked. It's like all black. Then it's still all black, but when there's light hitting it, you can tell it green much better. But it's like you can see a shade of green here. You can start seeing it. It's really cool. The color really turned out well.